Square a dimension line around the top of the king post. Be sure that there is enough material left for the length of the post plus the tenon on the bottom. In our example, 2400 millimeters plus 100 for the tenon. Drop back 283 millimeters and place another line for the bottom side of the principal. Bring these lines around to the other side. Check the thickness of the material. The entire piece may be brought within tolerance with hand tools or a power planer, but we are only going to adjust that portion where the principal rafters and purlin braces will seat. Measure from the center line and draw accurate dimension lines on each end. Join these lines with a fine chalk line or ink line. Do the other side. Draw the slope of the principal rafter from the ink line, then square this mark with the center line of the rafter. Score these lines and shave the seat to your design dimension, then lay out and cut the mortise at the top of the king post. This mortise will be 50 millimeters deep. Do both sides. Measure the design length of the king post and again square a reference line around the log. Cut the post to length. Remember, you will need extra length for the tenon. Score and adjust the seat width for purlin braces, then lay out and cut the tenon onto the bottom of the post and the mortises for the two purlin braces. Cut each of the two flat sides for the tenon first, then cut the mortise recess. Cut the side portion of the tenon, and after you have checked its dimensions with the template and beveled the corners, the king post will be complete.